Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in the 2021 Chevrolet Suburban. This Suburban is featured in a black paint and the RST finish. It features a heated front seats, backup camera, trailering package, and seating for 8. Now onto the interior of our Suburban. Moving left from our steering wheel, we have our chrome door handle as well as our power locks. Moving just below that, on our door itself, we have our powered mirrors, our powered windows with auto opening fronts, and then our locks as well as our seat memory. Just below, extra storage in 2 different layers. And then in front of that, our Bose premium speakers. To the left of the steering wheel, we have our park brake, as well as our sensors and our plug enablers. Below that, our trailering assist, as well as all of our light controls. Up above the steering wheel, we have our cluster gauge with a digital speedometer in the center that can be changed to display other useful information. On the left side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise control, as well as our forward collision warning. On the right side of the steering wheel, all of our hands-free, as well as the settings to change that center console in our speedometer. Up in the middle, we have all of our information system. So we have our radio, our Apple Carplay, our Android Auto, as well as our trailering and our backup camera with adaptive guidelines. Below it, some extra controls if we choose not to use the touchscreen. Then we have our climate control, and on the bottom on either side is our heated seats, which have heated rears as well as bottoms. Then below that, we have our USB-C as well as our USB and a 12-volt plug. We have some storage as well as our keyless fob there. Couple cup holders. Our center console, which opens up by a press. And inside of our center console, we have our SD slot as well as our USB and our micro USB. Our seats, black leather with a red trim. Finally, coming above our rear view mirror, we have all of our controls for our panoramic sunroof. So we have our slide, that is our cover control, that is our tilt control. Then above it, that is our trunk opening button. So it's currently set on max. We can have it on 3/4 or off. You press that in to get it. And we have our rear cabin check. And then finally, our garage door memory. Now walking down the side of our Suburban, we can see our all-terrain tires with our alloy rim and Chevrolet bow tie center caps. Moving up, we can see our paint match mirror as well as our paint match door handles with our keyless entry. Moving down, we have our black step. Moving towards the back of our Suburban, we can see once again our black Chevy bow tie badging with our black Suburban writing. We have our RST trim. We have our auto open rear trunk. Then inside, we have our 60/40 folding seats for the second row as well as the third row, and plenty of cargo space. Now into the rear of the Suburban, we once again have our chrome door handle, our lock controls, our window controls, and 2 layers of storage. Moving inside the cabin itself, we have our magazine holder on the seats in front of us, our climate control, as well as 2 charging ports, and our 120-watt plug. Our seats are black leather with our red trim. And we do have a 60/40 fold in the center, cup holders and storage in our first row seating. And we have a third row of seating as well. On either side, we have our cup holder and storage, as well as a charging outlet on the wall. The seats, once again, leather all the way in the back, and those are also featured in a 60/40 fold. Thank you for watching this quick video walk around of the 2021 Chevrolet Suburban. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Westgate Chevrolet soon.